Looking for a refreshing drink that is bright, citrusy, and perfect for a relaxing evening? Today we are making a classic homemade margarita with fresh lime and a perfectly balanced tangy taste. This recipe is simple to prepare and can be customized exactly how you like it. Stay tuned for some professional tips to get that restaurant-style flavor right at home. Welcome back! Today we are diving into the art of the perfect margarita. A great cocktail does not need to be complicated. The secret lies in using fresh citrus, balancing the ingredients properly, and serving it ice cold. Whether it is for a weekend celebration or a quiet night in, this recipe is a total crowd pleaser. To get started, you will need a few key ingredients: fresh limes, a good orange liqueur, your choice of tequila, and a sweetener like simple syrup or agave. Do not forget plenty of ice. For the finish, have some coarse salt and an extra lime wedge ready for the rim. Fresh juice is non-negotiable here for that vibrant flavor. Let's start with the limes. To get the most juice, roll each lime firmly against your counter for a few seconds before cutting. Squeeze them using a citrus press to collect that bright, natural juice. Freshly squeezed lime makes a world of difference compared to anything you can buy in a bottle. Now, let's prep the glass. Take a fresh lime wedge and run it around the outside edge of the rim. Pour some coarse salt onto a small plate and gently dip the glass. Try to coat just the outer edge to avoid getting salt inside the drink. This creates that classic contrast we all love in a good margarita. It is time to mix. Fill your cocktail shaker with plenty of ice. Add the tequila, the fresh lime juice, your orange liqueur, and your preferred amount of sweetener. Close the shaker tightly and shake vigorously for about 15 to 20 seconds. You will know it is ready when the outside of the shaker feels freezing cold. Here is an important tip: never just stir a margarita. Shaking it with ice does two things: it chills the drink instantly and provides just the right amount of dilution. That tiny bit of melted ice actually helps smooth out the sharp citrus and strong spirits, making the final drink much more balanced. Fill your salt-rimmed glass with fresh ice. Slowly strain the mixture from the shaker into the glass. Watch that beautiful, cloudy texture fill the rim. For the final touch, garnish with a fresh lime slice. You can rest it on the edge or drop it right in for a classic look. Achieving the perfect flavor is all about the balance. If it feels too tart, add a splash more sweetener. If it is too sweet, a little extra lime juice will fix the acidity. If the alcohol feels too strong, let it sit with the ice for a moment. The goal is a refreshing combination of citrus, sweetness, and a clean finish. Watch out for these common mistakes. Using bottled lime juice is the biggest one. Also, be careful not to oversweeten or use too little ice. Temperature is everything. And finally, do not skip the salt rim. It is an essential part of the flavor profile that should not be overlooked. Once you have the classic version down, feel free to get creative. You can muddle some strawberries for a fruity twist, or add mango for a tropical vibe. Watermelon is fantastic for summer, and a few slices of fresh jalapeno can add a nice spicy kick. The classic recipe is the perfect foundation for any flavor. Margaritas are the ultimate pairing for Mexican-inspired dishes. They go perfectly with street tacos, grilled fajitas, or just a simple bowl of fresh salsa and guacamole. If you are hosting a group, you can even scale up the recipe to make a pitcher. Just remember to serve it cold and enjoy responsibly. And there you have it, a beautiful, homemade classic margarita. It is crisp, citrusy, and has that perfect salty kick. This combination of tangy lime and balanced sweetness creates a drink that is timeless and incredibly easy to make whenever the craving hits. Remember the golden rules: use fresh lime, shake it well, and always adjust the sweetness to your own taste. Thanks for joining us. If you love this recipe, please like and subscribe for more easy drink and food ideas. Let us know in the comments how you like your margaritas. See you next time.